If you're ready to file your LLC, you have one of two options. You can file your LLC yourself, or you can hire a company to do it for you. Watch along over the next few minutes to simplify that process. The 5 best LLC formation services include Bizee, formerly known as InkFile, LegalZoom, Northwest Registered Agent, Tailor Brands, and Zen Business. I'll cover which services you actually need to set up your LLC, how much they cost, and the best money-saving strategy. I've included the direct link for each company in the pinned comments down below, and also a launch your business step-by-step guide so that you can download and use for future references. Each LLC formation company offers at least 3 packages, and you'll find that across the board. The services that are most beneficial if you've decided to hire a company include them filing your LLC formation, you being able to get a registered agent, an EIN, and an operating agreement. These are the services that are most beneficial if you're going to use a company. As you determine which company is the best fit for you, it's also going to be important to consider how much does each package cost? How long will it take to file the LLC? And what are the recurring costs of using each company? Some companies offer you a subscription-based service, so it's important to pay attention not only your immediate upfront cost, but how much are you going to be paying later on as the years go down the line to keep your LLC open and active, and have whichever company you use set up that process for you. Now we're going to shift gears and look at each LLC formation website so you can get a feel of what the website looks like and how the process will go as you're filing your LLC. Now we're going to take a look at each website for the companies that I've mentioned so that you can get a feel for what services are included and which one might be the best fit for you. First, we have Bizee, which is formerly known as InkFile. The links to each one of these LLC formation companies is down in the description or top pinned comment below. If you use one of my links, I will receive a small affiliate commission at no additional cost to you. Bizee is the first LLC formation company we're going to look at, and they have recently changed their name from InkFile. So if you come on their website, you see here, start your business for $0 plus state fee. That's going to be typical across the board. Some companies may be a little differently, but they're not charging you necessarily to file your LLC. They are just charging you for your state filing fees. So let's scroll down and look at what services they provide when filing an LLC. Here they have 3 options. The packages that they offer are silver, gold, and platinum, and we're going to look at each one of those packages, but before we do, we see that they highlight 100% free formation, 100% from a you're not paying them perspective, but you are going to pay your state filing fees. They claim to have super fast filing speeds. The first year of your registered agent service is free, and they're going to send you free compliance reminders. So if you file your business, if you're watching this video in 2024 when it was shot, and you go ahead and you file your LLC, in a year from now, when it's time to renew that LLC with your state, they're going to send you a reminder. So let's go ahead and check out the formation packages. Okay, we're going to click LLC. We're going to pick a state. Let's pick Florida, and we're going to do a package comparison. So you see silver is $0 plus your $125 state filing fee. Gold is, and they're saying that with silver is going to take about 21 days to file. With gold, it's going to take 21 days as well. $199 plus your $125 state filing fee. And then platinum, it's a 4-day filing time, $299 plus $125 state filing fee. So you are going to need to file your LLC before you can get, and you're going to need your formation documents before you can open your business bank account. So I would just say it depends on how fast you need the service, but we're going to look at all of the other companies so that we could do a comparison of the cost. So here they're doing a basic formation. In all of the packages, you get a free registered agent services for a year. You do want to keep in mind any reoccurring costs. So when it's time for a renewal of your registered agent service next year, they're probably going to charge you. Next thing, if you want the service expedited within the silver and gold packages, is going to be an additional $50. And then we come here down to compliance basics. So the silver package, although it's free, it does not include them getting your EIN number, which you're going to need for your business bank account. They will not file your IRS form 255-3, which goes along with your LLC filing. In order to get your IRS form 255-3, which goes along with your EIN filing, you would either have to pay extra or it's included in the gold and platinum packages. Your operating agreement, if you choose silver package, it's an additional cost. It's included in the gold and platinum package. And then finance basics, business banking account offer. So these are offers, business tax consultation, banking resolutions. And typically all of these additional features aren't necessary and they're going to come at an additional cost. What you need is your LLC file. It's great to get the registered agent service, but you want to be mindful of however much that's going to cost to renew. And then I would also say that if filing an EIN on your own is 100% free, but if you have already chosen to get an LLC formation service to make things simpler for you, you may want them to go ahead and get your EIN, file this IRS form, and get your operating agreement, which would put you at the gold package, and $199 plus your $125 state filing fee is not terribly expensive for the services that are going to be provided there. But if you want to do those things on your own, you can just go ahead and pay $0 plus the $125 state filing fee for the silver package. I personally wouldn't necessarily get the platinum package unless you are in a situation where you're about to conduct business and you need your LLC filed immediately. That's the only time that I would consider the platinum package. Next, we're going to look at Northwest Registered Agent, see what packages they offer. So Northwest Registered Agent, they charge $225 plus your state filing fee. And what this includes is registered agent service, free domain, website, email, and business phone, business address, and free mail forwarding, your operating agreement, and privacy by default. I'm assuming privacy by default is just the fact that they're going to have a registered agent service is going to give you an element of privacy. So that's pretty good for $225. Again, you definitely want to look at how much is this free domain and website and email and business phone number, business address going to cost you in the long run. You always want to factor those costs in to see, yes, right now I'm paying $225 plus filing fees, but what will I be paying a year from now or in a couple of months, being that they are offering you so many additional features. Okay, here we have Tailor Brands, and we're going to click Form an LLC. Form an LLC in a few minutes for $0. Again, that's $0 plus your state filing fee. So we're going to click Florida again. So here with Tailor Brands, it's not immediately showing you the pricing. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to go ahead and plug in some information so I can get to the point where it is going to show us the pricing. So I plugged in the business name, and I'm just making up something, guys. Florida Lawns and Pools. It says the name is currently available. We're going to click next. So they're going to ask us some questions about our business. What stage in Florida Lawns and Pools are you currently in? About to launch. Next. When are you planning to launch? As soon as possible. What industry? Lawn care, professional services. Are you planning to hire employees in the coming year? I'm just going to put not sure. They're asking me for a postal code, so I had to look one up for Florida. Where will Florida Lawns and Pools serve customers on the go? So I will say that this is putting you through quite a bit of information. What are you planning to do? Right now, I just need the LLC. What did you already do for? I'm going to skip that. So it's asking a lot of questions. So I plugged in my information and they're asking me, help me get an EIN, help me get my EIN. I'm just going to say you will be charged $99 after your application's review. So that's my assumption that they're charging $99. if I would like to use Tailor Brands as a registered agent, now I'm being charged $199 after the application. Now, if I want them to make sure that my LLC is compliant, meaning renew my LLC every year, they're going to charge me $199. And that's where I was discussing with you guys. I was saying, watch out for additional fees and long-term costs, because if I chose this, $199 would renew annually. I'll handle the compliance myself. Click next. Do I want a branding toolkit? No. Click next. Get your LLC faster. You can get it in 2 business days, or you can wait 14 days. 2 business days is an additional $49. So now we're at about $250 if we had have chosen to get all of the services. If I want an operating agreement, which I would want, that's an additional $29. And if they're upselling me on books and invoices, keeping your business books and invoices. Okay, now after going through all of that, we have the Essential LLC Plan, LLC Formation, Expedited Process, Annual Compliance, and Operating Agreement for $199. The registered agent is going to be $199 a year. The EIN is going to be paid once at $99 a year. So $329 for everything, but be mindful that that registered agent is going to be renewed at $199 a year, which in my opinion is quite high for a registered agent service. So if I wanted to proceed, I would just click proceed, but I am not going to, because this was for illustration purposes only. Okay, now we have Zen Business, and I don't know about you guys, but I definitely prefer the websites where everything is just on screen and transparent. I do understand that Tailor Brands, they wanted you to go through the process to see what you really needed, but I don't like spending too much time when I need a service, so I prefer websites like this. And so far, Bizee, Zen Business, and Northwest Registered Agent allow you to find the pricing relatively easy. Okay, so here we can compare the 3 packages that Zen Business offers, which is Starter, Pro, and Premium. And here are the features listed. Starter is $0. Pro is $199 per year. And Premium is $349 per year. You do want to be mindful of the ongoing cost to file your LLC. We also want to pay attention to how long it's going to take to file. With Starter, 2 to 3 weeks. Pro, 1 to 5 days. And Premium, 1 to 5 days. You get your standard LLC that's included in each package. But if you want your operating agreement, it's included in Pro, but an additional cost in Starter. Our fastest filing speed, included in Pro and Premium, additional in Starter. Your employer EIN, again, as you see, additional cost with Starter. With Pro, it's included. Business documents includes over 25 templates. So I don't think that you necessarily need these business documents initially, because your goal is to just file your LLC. Okay, and we see here there are some more features that are offered, but basically it seems like the best 2 packages are your Starter package and your Pro package. Your Pro, it gives you your EIN and your operating agreement, which I feel are important when it comes to opening a business bank account. And that is basically it with Zen Business. Easy, not too much hassle there. Finally, we have LegalZoom. LLC plan start at $0 plus filing fees. Hopefully they have, and I'm doing this in real time, so hopefully they have packages. Okay, and with LegalZoom, the packages are right here and available. The first package is basic, $0 plus your state filing fee. Pro package is $249, and the premium package is $299. What is included in each package? Here you do get your in your 0 basic package, you get your articles of organization. They're going to check your name. I mean, the rest of this information is very basic. In Pro, you're going to get your operating agreement. You're going to get your EIN. You will get access to legal documents. And there's going to be an initial phone consultation with specialists about business insurance and taxes, which is probably going to be an upsell. And then you have your Premium. which includes hands-on guidance from experienced business attorney that you choose based on your state. So I think that this very much, which package depends on what type of business you're going to open. If your business is very straightforward, then I would recommend either the basic package or the pro package. The pro package, of course, is going to allow you to get your EIN and your operating agreement, which are both very helpful as it pertains to your business. So here again, we have Bizee, Northwest Register Agent, Zen Business, LegalZoom, and Tailor Brands. It appears that Bizee is going to be your most cost-effective option with the gold package at $199 plus the $125 filing fee. And the reason being is it's the least expensive. They're not saying that this is an annual renewal, although you do need to look at the register agent service, how much they're going to renew at for the next year. But the $199 does include your EIN, business tax number, and although that would be free for you to file on your own, if you are hiring an LLC formation company, you might as well get them to do everything that is necessary to be done. So your EIN, business tax number, your IRS form 255-3, and your operating agreement at $199 plus the $125 state filing fee. That is the most cost effective. The next most cost effective offer is Zen Business, but you do need to pay attention to the fact that if you choose Pro, you're going to get both your EIN and your operating agreement. However, this is a subscription-based service, so they're going to charge you $199 per year. But I will note that at the $199 pro level per year, your LLC will be filed in 1 to 5 business days. Whereas Bizee, if you choose their gold package, is going to take about 21 days filing time. If you choose Zen Business and pay the $199 per year, they are going to go ahead and renew your business each year. So although you'll be paying them $199 per year, your business will be renewed with the Secretary of State so that it stays active. With Bizee, you will need to renew annually yourself. Now you have everything you need to file your LLC. Watch this next video to help you decide on which business bank account is best for you.